Hello and welcome back to the American Tradesmen channel. This is Andy talking to you, and you are watching Matt and George and what they're doing. If you've watched any of our other videos, particularly where we were out there pulling bedding plows, doing site prep for planting pine trees, those plows that we pull. The first videos, the very earliest videos where you see us pulling them, they are Savannah plows, Savannah Global, Savannah brand, however you want to say that. Now, recently we've started pulling some Rome plows, and what you see Matt and George unloading right here are in fact Rome plows. Matt ran across a deal on two of them, and he and I went in and each bought one. And as you'll see when they come off, they both need a little bit of work. Like the one that they're hooking up to right there, the gangs had been taken off, and they were trying to use them on an offset, and that didn't work out for them. The other one, the one that's closest to the neck on the trailer, is actually the one that I purchased, and it's got a broke shaft where the hourglass, the roller drum on the back, where it bolts to the bearing housing. So we got a good deal on them. Yeah, they both need a little bit of work, but it's nothing that Matt and I can't handle, because as you've seen in some of the other stuff, we've worked on just about everything. So we're gonna sit back, relax, watch Matt and George get these plows off the trailer. I'm putting this video together on a Wednesday evening, and it'll be coming out to you guys on Friday. We really try hard every week to make sure we get something out to you guys. We've had a ton of new subscribers recently, particularly after the Massey Ferguson video where we went and picked that 1105 up, and there's some more video coming on that. Just stay tuned. Hey, if you like seeing what we get into, you like seeing how we do things, maybe we're doing something a little different. We watch a lot of different folks on YouTube, and we pick up little tricks along the way, and maybe we do something that you may see, and it'll help you out. And that's kind of what we're here for. We enjoy putting together some content for you guys. So again, thank you. Hey, if you like it, the likes do more for a YouTube channel than anything. It gets us out there, gets us noticed. YouTube picks it up. There's a whole science behind how you get that stuff out there, and we're not really in it for the money, because we're not making any off of this as of yet. Who knows, we might one day, but primarily we want to get our stuff where it can be found, where it's seen more often. So if you don't mind, click that like button. If you're enjoying what we put out there, hit subscribe. We really appreciate it. Drop us a comment. We like hearing from folks. So thanks again. We appreciate it. Now I'm going to shut my yapper and let you guys watch him unload this stuff.
stuff down with them.
Well,
we got it off anyway, didn't
we? It's off.
Come tell them bye, Si.
George have his shirt back.
Come here.
I bet them tires are saying, I know I'm new, but I'm tired.
I want to ride the gator.
Look right there, Si. Say, we got it unloaded. Bye-bye.
We got unloaded. Bye-bye.
Hey, click like. Say, click like.
I don't know how to click like.